I'm glad I get to test the Powerline 3 USB to Lightning cable, because I actually just had my version 1 Powerline cable stop working on me. And I've also got a Powerline 2 version 2 cable, because I had the version 1 which looked a lot like this, but it stopped working, so put that warranty to the test, and I gave them the serial number, and they sent me brand new cable. This is a 6-foot version, and overall the differences between the 2 and the 3, obviously this is braided. This has some metal ends on both the USB and the Lightning. This goes back to that soft plastic rubber-like material, but this has a texture on it that's really nice to grip. This has a serial number printed on it, nice and clean. And speaking of cleaning, cables, as you know, they get dirty. These are really easy to wipe off. These braided cables are not. So I'm really happy with this, and I'm excited to start using it. Okay, let's take a closer look here at the Powerline 3 Lightning cable. As you can see, it's got a 25,000 bend lifespan, an upgraded connector with a texture. It's definitely MFI certified, and it supports high-speed data of 480 megabits per second. And it also comes in black. Here's the Amazon link. I will attach that in the description. Both 3 and 6 foot varieties. Overall, I'm really happy with it, and it definitely has better reviews than the Apple cable, as you can see here. I might be picking up a few more just to put in the car and around the house. So overall, I give this cable a perfect 10 out of 10 and would recommend them to anyone. It's definitely the perfect USB to Lightning cable.